Happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So today is the day that many of you have been waiting for. That's right. I showed a little preview of this a while back, but today is the day. The ChatGPT premium workflow action is now live. That's right. So for those of you who are wondering what this is, so obviously premium workflow actions, go look that up in the help docs. You'll know exactly what this is. But once you enable it inside the workflow builder, you now have the opportunity to actually directly interact with ChatGPT. You can see some of the screenshots here of how this works and how this all kind of flows together. Obviously, you can use it in conditionals, which is amazing. You can use all of the responses in any of the text fields, which is awesome. And so they did a great job there. It obviously works with cool things like custom fields and so forth. So they did an awesome job there. Here's more of a visual example of where we are going through and actually sending a prompt to get a response, checking the condition, branching off, going out, getting another response. So the team did an awesome job here. You can see right here in the release notes, send prompts directly to the customer, fully automated, add an example, this and that. If you can do anything, you can already do with ChatGPT, but now you can do it within workflows. So this makes your job a lot easier. Obviously, we're going to have the billing is the same as it was before, and we have a great help doc article, both the standard help doc article and also the white label help article. So if you hadn't seen this before, we have started to white label some of these help articles for all of you to make your lives a lot easier when trying to send these things directly to clients. So anyways, super excited about this. It's in the workflow builder right now. Get it while it's hot, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks.